Finding the right car insurance is tough. You want something affordable, reliable when you need it, and ideally with perks that make life easier. Most of us settle for the big names we recognize, but there are hidden gems out there. One of those is Pekin Insurance. But is it really worth it? In today's video, we'll break down everything you need to know about Pekin Auto Insurance. We will discuss the pros and cons, its comprehensive coverage options, and ratings and consumer reviews from different agencies. And if you want to compare Pekin with other companies instantly, head over to autoinsurance.org. Just enter your zip code into our free comparison tool and you'll see personalized rates from top insurers in your area. It's a simple way to ensure you're not overpaying. Now, let's start with the basics. Pekin Insurance was founded back in 1921 and has been serving customers for more than a century. While they aren't a nationwide provider, they've built a strong regional presence in states like Arizona, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and Wisconsin. On average, Pekin's monthly auto insurance rates start around $80, which is even lower than some of its bigger competitors. They also hold an A rating from AM Best, meaning they're considered financially stable enough to pay out claims when you need them. So, while Pekin may not be a household name everywhere, they've earned trust in the markets where they do operate. Now, could Pekin's long history and affordable pricing make them a good fit for you? The best way to find out is by visiting autoinsurance.org. Use our easy-to-use free comparison tool to compare auto insurance quotes, and you'll see real rates that fit your needs and your situation, all in one place. When choosing an auto insurance provider, it's important to weigh both the strengths and weaknesses. Let's break down what Pekin does well and where it falls short. First, Pekin is known for offering competitive premiums, especially for older drivers. This makes coverage more affordable for seniors who are often living on fixed incomes. It allows them to maintain solid protection without stretching their budget. Next, Pekin provides 24/7 roadside assistance with its coverage. Whether you need a tow, a tire change, or a jump start, help is available anytime. This feature adds an extra layer of security and peace of mind on the road. In addition, Pekin sells multiple lines of insurance that can be bundled together. Customers can combine auto with life, business, or Medicare coverage to unlock discounts up to 20%. Bundling not only simplifies policy management, but also delivers meaningful savings. However, despite these strengths, Pekin does have some important drawbacks to keep in mind. To begin with, Pekin's biggest drawback is its geographic restrictions. The company only sells auto insurance in Arizona, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and Wisconsin. This means the majority of U.S. drivers won't have access to their policies. Additionally, some customers report inconsistent experiences with Pekin. While many policyholders describe smooth service and fair claims handling, others mention delays or smaller payouts than expected. This inconsistency shows that satisfaction may depend on your local agent. Overall, Pekin provides affordable coverage and valuable benefits for certain drivers, but its limited availability and mixed customer reviews mean it may not be the best choice for everyone. So, how can you be sure you're getting the best coverage at the best price? Head over to autoinsurance.org and use our free comparison tool to view multiple quotes and choose which insurance provider suits your budget. It's fast, it's easy, and it helps everyone find the right coverage. Now that we've weighed the pros and cons, let's move on to explore exactly what Pekin covers in its auto insurance policies. When it comes to coverage, Pekin goes well beyond the basics. Of course, they offer standard liability, collision, and comprehensive insurance. But where they stand out is in their optional add-ons. Let's break them down. First, Pekin provides motorcycle insurance for a wide variety of bikes. This protection covers injuries to you, your passenger, and others, along with property damage caused by your motorcycle. It even extends to mopeds, scooters, and motorbikes, making it a flexible choice for riders. Next, Pekin offers off-road vehicle insurance for your recreational rides. This ensures your recreational vehicles are covered against accidents or damage during off-road use. It's designed to make your outdoor adventures safer and worry-free. This includes off-road vehicles like ATVs, snowmobiles, and golf carts. In addition, Pekin offers boat insurance for a range of watercraft. Policies include liability protection and coverage for physical damage, helping you stay prepared for accidents on the water. Whether you own a small boat or a larger vessel, Pekin gives you options that fit your needs. Another valuable option is Pekin's 24/7 roadside rescue services. From flat tires and fuel delivery to towing and jump starts, this service ensures help is always available. No matter where your travels take you, you won't be left stranded. Finally, Pekin offers AutoGuard enhancements to strengthen standard auto policies. These extras include trip interruption coverage, key replacement, and tire protection. By adding these benefits, Pekin provides more convenience and protection than basic auto insurance alone. Overall, Pekin's mix of coverage options makes it easy to protect not just your car but also your lifestyle on the road, off-road, and even on the water. Want to know if these coverage options and their prices are really the best fit for you? Visit autoinsurance.org and use our free comparison tool to explore the top rates and policies in your area to know which insurance provider suits your needs best. Now, let's see what independent ratings and real customers have to say about Pekin Insurance. When choosing an insurance provider, it's important to look at both financial strength and customer satisfaction. Pekin Insurance stands out with solid ratings and reviews that highlight its stability and service quality. To start, AM Best gives Pekin an A rating, reflecting excellent financial strength. This means the company is in great shape to pay out claims when needed. For policyholders, that financial strength translates into long-term reliability. In addition, the Better Business Bureau recognizes Pekin with an A rating, reflecting its excellent business practices. The BBB rating signals that Pekin is committed to fair treatment and professional service. This can give customers added confidence when working with their agents. Moreover, Consumer Reports gave Pekin a score of 78 out of 100, placing it above average in customer satisfaction. This rating reflects how well the company performs in everyday customer service. It suggests that most drivers are satisfied with their coverage and support. Similarly, J.D. Power awarded Pekin 870 out of 1,000, another sign of above-average satisfaction. This ranking places Pekin ahead of many other insurers in its category, showing it performs well compared to national competitors. For customers, this score is a reassuring indicator that Pekin consistently delivers reliable service and support. On the other hand, the National Association of Insurance Commissioners gave Pekin a score of 1.25, which reflects average complaints. This means Pekin doesn't receive unusually high or low numbers of complaints compared to other insurers. For consumers, it suggests their customer service is fairly typical for the industry. Altogether, Pekin's strong ratings and generally positive customer feedback highlight a company that is both financially stable and well-regarded, even if experiences may differ from person to person. Want to make sure you're choosing the right insurance provider for your needs? Head over to autoinsurance.org and type your zip code into our free comparison tool to explore the top rates in your area to know which insurer delivers the best value that matches your lifestyle and budget. Pekin Insurance is a solid choice if you live in one of their 5 service states. They offer affordable rates, strong coverage options, and a proven track record for financial stability. But their limited availability and some mixed reviews around claims are worth keeping in mind. If this video helped you better understand Pekin Insurance, click the like button for more content like this. Share your thoughts and experiences with Pekin in the comments below. Have a question for us or a suggestion for our next video? Fire away! We are eager to help and want to give you the content you're looking for. And subscribe for more insurance tips, comparisons, and guides to help you save money and get the best coverage. When it comes to car insurance, the best choice isn't always the most popular. It's the one that protects you when you need it most. Thanks for watching, and see you at our next video.